Morning. So today we're going to fit this carbon fibre spoiler. We'll take off this one that we've got at the moment. So that's what we're replacing today. Carbon fibre for just gloss black spoiler. Nice. I'm going to do this over George's, so I'll see you in a sec. So guys, I'm just with GCM the PT. What's up, what's up?
Honestly, I spent the whole day sleeping, and Corley is outside for some reason doing both of our cars, so I'm not in a position to complain. He's cleaned them both so that we can go outside and compound them. I'm going to go put the camera down, he's going to get the cars done, and then he's going to continue with the rest of the video.
Basically, I'm in the midst of taking this off. I just literally got to peel it off. That's simple as that. And to be fair, it's not much residue that's actually left in there, so it looked like it was going to come off anyway, quite easy. So with the next one, I'm actually going to make sure it's double secure, put absolutely shitloads of that tape on, because I do not want it flying off. I will rip this bugger off and you'll see it. Well, George is cracking on with his polishing today. So we're trying to do his video and my video together. Little in between bits. Yada yada yada. What the fuck am I saying? I don't know. Right, I'm going to use a hairdryer to heat up the glue underneath this spoiler. It's coming off quite easy. It's like not stuck on properly. I probably could just rip it off, but I'll be forever taking the glue off then, and I don't fancy doing that. So I'm going to heat it up, and then I'll peel it off and show you how easy it is to remove the spoiler and put one on. Right, I'm going to use some of this sticky stuff remover, which George has kindly gave me to borrow. See if it makes it a bit easier just to get it off, because it is very stuck. Very stuck. Alright, let's have a little go then and show me. Let's see if it comes off now then. Literally got to deal with all this glue.
That's what the sticky stuff does.
Oh dear. I'll just whack some of that more sticky stuff on here and we'll get crack-a-lagging. Basically, this is how I stuck it last time. I put so much on there. For some reason I put the sticky stuff remover on and just grabbing a cloth, just literally pushing it, and it seems to be doing the trick. Lovely. Right, all the glue is off. I just need to give it a proper decent clean, so it's a nice surface to stick on. It looks so weird without the spoiler now. So weird. It's basically the process of getting the spoiler off, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be this time, considering I knew how much tape I actually put on it. Right guys, now I've got the spoiler off and it's all nice and clean. I used this polisher as well, with some fast cut plus to get rid of some of the scratches and all the stuff that left behind. What next is to put this bad boy on. I'm just taping it up at the moment. I'll show you what I've done so far. I'm using 3M double-sided tape. First layer all in one. I'll completely cover it so I know for a fact it's not going to move anywhere. And I'll come back to you when it's done. Alright, so I've completely covered the places that I need to do. It took me absolutely ages to take all that tape off. Masking tape as well to keep it secure, and I'm just going to leave it overnight. Keep dishing, keep dish. What do you want? You want your food? You want your food? No. No, don't nick it. No. Leave. Wait. You wait. What do you want? Wait. Ready. Steady. Good. Go on then. Good boy. Alright. There. And then place it down. Right. I'm gonna have to tape it hard. Right, I've mask and taped it up. Seems pretty secure. I think I just need to put some weight on it now just to completely secure it in. Put some weight on the top, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Right, this is what it looked like overnight. Moment of truth. I literally popped this on it and moved it around to the different areas just to make sure I had enough weight on it to secure it down. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean this boot again. LED angel eye and fog lights, which is like the colour changing ones that you can do on your phone. I'll be installing these next. It's controlled by Wi-Fi. Looks like a simple job, just a plug in and play kit, which it did say online as well. But yeah, like I said, these will be installed in the next video. So if you stay tuned for that, please give this video a like and comment. Just tell me what you think. It's always appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Watch.